Imagine you and your friends order a big pizza, but before you start eating, the restaurant takes a small slice as a service fee. Today, we are going to talk about the little slice in the world of investing, and that is expense ratio. So, what is an expense ratio? Well, it's a fee that a mutual fund charges to manage your money. This fee covers the expenses such as fund manager's salary, administrative expenses, and other operational expenses. This fee is generally a small percentage of your total investment. Remember that pizza? Well, imagine that every fund you invest in is like a different pizza place. Some pizza places take a bigger slice while others take a smaller one, and that slice is expense ratio. Imagine you have two funds, Fund A with an expense ratio of 0.5% and Fund B with an expense ratio of 1.5%. Which is better? That's right, Fund A. Lesser the expense ratio means more money you have that stay invested and can grow over time. Now, imagine if your expense ratio is 0.5% and your annual growth rate is 12%. Then an actual return rate would be 12 minus 0.5%, which is 11%. While this may seem like a small difference in your returns, but the impact on long-term investments can be significant. For example, if you make an investment of 1 lakh every year as a growth rate of 12%, then you would make 9.6 lakhs in 20 years. But if the growth rate was 20.5%, then you would make 10.5 lakhs. And in the Indian mutual fund market, the average expense ratio for equity mutual fund stays between 1.2% to 2.5%, while it's lower for debt funds, staying between 0.5% to 1.5%. In a nutshell, an expense ratio is a key thing to check while picking a mutual fund. Lower expense ratio means more money in your pocket, helping you reach your financial goals faster. And if you need help choosing the right mutual fund for your investment, then download the Stack Wealth app now to get your own personalized portfolio.